अगर आप क्लास 10th में हो तो इस वीडियो को अभी सेव करो. Let's start 100 question series. Question number 19. The faces of a red cube and yellow cube are numbered from 1 to 6. Both cubes are rolled. What is the probability that the top face of each cube will have the same number? So first of all, what we'll do, let's prepare a sample space, okay, so that you can get the idea. So possible outcomes, you can see here, we have two cubes. So these are the total possible outcomes. You can see 1, 1, so one red, one yellow, 1, 2, one red, second is yellow, 1, 3, and so on. So there are total 36 possibilities, as you can see. In the question, what they're asking, what is the probability that the top face of each cube will have the same number? Each cube will have same number means 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. These will become our favorable outcomes. Right, so total possible outcomes are 36. Favorable outcomes are 6. Now you can easily calculate the probability. Favorable outcome upon total possible outcome, that is 6 upon 36. If you simplify, you'll get 1 upon 6. That's it. Very simple.